Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today I am trying to teach you how to create listing on eBay platform. So, let's get starting. First of all, this is eBay homepage. As you see here is the title bar having option sell. We simply click on it and another page will appear on your screens. As you can see, as you know, we try to create listing, so click on create listing and we have two options which are single listing or multiple listing. I am going to create single listing, so I am going to click on single listing and start your listing here in very easy way. In this page you have to put details about your product. I have a product which is chalk. So type chalk and eBay find a match of your product. We have top picks from the product library as you see. In this list, we have lot of related products. But we are creating a new one. Then click on the continue without match. We have again two options, new or used. In this page you have to provide information of your product, means is that used or new. I have new product. So I have to select the option of new. After that we have another page will appear on screen, where we put pictures and videos of your products, which makes your product more identification. I have two pictures, so I am dropping. There are some more details like title, subtitle and customer label. In this page, title is very important because tile provide information about your product. And there is the range of the words of your title. After that we have an option of subtitle. As I informed you before, in custom label we have to provide information for customer, which help the customer to pick up the product. If you scroll down, there are two options like item category and sell category. In eBay you just select the right option. There is no need to type anything, which make very easy to create listing. After that done, scroll down. Another very important information is required about your product, which is brand and MPN. Because of that people know about your products. Brand and there is no brand. In my product I am going to select the option of unbranded. And select the type does not apply. And here is some more additional information required about your product. If you want to put, then select the correct one. Now we have to provide information about the material. So for this, I am going to search about the material of chalk, so for that I am using the Google. Here is the results, so let's just simply copy and paste it. There is another option which is unit quantity and unit type. So in this you actually tell about the quantity of your product. After that simply select the country. Then click on show more. After that we have an option for customer item specific. In this you have to give the answer of that question that asked from the customer side, like how many chalks are there in a pack? And what are the color of the chalks? So, I will put the correct information by typing in this section. Here is some more options like variations and conditions. So you have to click on variations and another page will appear on your screen. Here you put about the attribute by typing just like that. In this you should put more than one option. There I have to add 4 different options. So just click on Continue, then another page will appear on your screen. In this page you will also edit your attributes that you have provided before. If you scroll down, there are more options like price, quantity, SKUs, and delete. For perform an action, click on the action. After that, enter different variation combinations. Because of this, it is easy for the customer to select the correct option. The product and then click on the Save and Close. Now see the variations are complete. Under that there is description. Remember that your description always will be correct. So for the description we are using ChatGPT. Click on the New tab and type ChatGPT and an application will appear on your screen which helps you to write a correct description. In this app, type how many words you type for the description and title of your product and description. And it can write perfectly and SEO friendly that what you want. Now I am going to type 50 words for my product description. You have to write the correct 50 words for your description. So you have to just copy and paste this description as it is in the description box, just like that. For pasting this description, I am using the MS Word. And then paste in the box of description. And if you add some bullet points in this description. So this is the plus point for your description. So for that, I am going to add 10 bullet points in my description. Just like description points will provided from ChatGPT, and you just copy from here and paste it in your description box as well. So now, I have to paste the bullet points on the MS Word first, and then paste in the description box just like description. There is no need to type anything in the description box. There is a button for the More option, just click on this button and edit your description just like you want. I am going to maximize my description which help others to make their thought clear for my products. If you want to highlight your words, you can do easily. After that, if you scroll down the page, there is an option of pricing. Under this, there is an option of add multi-buy. In this you have to put the save percentage for customer. If someone purchase more than one item or multi-items. If someone buy 2 items, then how much he saves, this percentage is up to you. Means you have to rank your product by providing percentage. After finishing that, scroll down this page. At the end there is an option list with displayed fee, just click on it and a box will appear. On this, click on the view listing. Another page will appear in your screen. This is the resultant page. In this page all information you can see that you put on eBay about your product. From this page you also edit your provided information if you want. And now just click the save button and your product will be live on eBay. I hope this video is helpful for you to create listing on the platform of eBay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any suggestions for future content, feel free to leave them in the comments below.